Hey everyone! This is the 5-in-1 Risk Market V2. Players can buy and manage shops, order items, buy supplies, and adjust prices, all in one system. Let's start with the regular shops. You can create unlimited categories, name them however you like, and organize every item the way you want. Whether it's food, drinks, tools, or collectibles, each section can have its own name and icon for a clean, structured layout. When players want to buy something, they simply click Buy to add it to their cart or type the exact amount they need. No more smashing the plus button like it owes them money. You can build unique stores with custom themes, items, prices, and UI titles, from small local shops to stylish high-end stores. Every shop is fully customizable, giving your city real variety and character. For example, here's a souvenir shop at the pier, designed with a purple theme. You can see how the UI title, layout, and items look different. So every store feels unique instead of having the same boring shop style everywhere. Here's a shop by the sea, styled in blue. You can change emphasis, markers, and blips however you want. You have complete freedom when setting up your regular stores. I think you got the idea. So let's move on to the job shops, where only specific jobs have access. Perfect for mechanics, medics, police officers, or any custom job you've got on your server. But my rank is too low, meaning I don't have access to every category or item yet. Once I get promoted, I'll unlock the rest. You can configure it so that shops, or even specific categories, only become available from a certain rank onward. Of course, just like every other shop in Risk Market V2, you can customize the colors however you want. For example, this medic shop is styled in red, perfectly matching the medical theme. You can use any color you like by adding it in the config.css, giving it a unique ID, and then linking that ID in your config. Same thing with the black market. You can set up different items, prices, and themes just like in any other shop. Here, you can decide whether players pay with cash, bank money, or black money. And yes, if you want players to own their own black markets, you can set that up just like with job shops, weapon shops, or regular stores. For the weapon shop, it's the same deal. Full customization. Choose whether purchases give weapon items or add directly to the weapon wheel, with optional license checks. Now we're finally at the management system. Players can buy, own, and fully manage any shop on the map. In the config, you decide which shops are ownable, how much they cost, and how much profit or refund players get when selling them again. Once a player owns a shop, they get full control. They can set prices, adjust stock, order and deliver supplies themselves, or have them delivered automatically. It's completely up to you. They can also fund their shop balance, track sales statistics, see top selling items, and view recent customer purchases, all directly in the UI. Here you can change the item prices, and they'll update instantly in the shop UI with your custom values. As you've probably noticed, every item now shows how many are in stock right next to its name. Above the shopping cart, there's also a new stock button. When players click it, they can see exactly which items are available and which ones are currently sold out. If an item starts running low, the shop owner automatically gets a notification. For example, a message like, "Bread is running low on stock." That way, they can restock in time before items sell out and customers walk away empty-handed. Since our shop's completely empty right now, we first need to buy some items. We can choose how many we want to purchase. But before that, we have to deposit money into our management account. Whenever players buy something from our shop, the money automatically goes into this account and we can withdraw it anytime from here. Now that we've added some funds, we can start buying items for the shop. Don't forget, every deposit comes with a small fee if the server owner decides to enable it. Of course, you can configure all of that exactly how you want in the settings. All right, let's take a look at how it all looks once our shop is stocked with some items. So let's hit Show Stock button right away. No need to scroll through everything. Perfect. Now we can see all the items currently in stock at a glance. Players can also handle deliveries themselves. Just press the Start Delivery button at the top, accept the job, and the delivery starts right away. Drive to the marked location where you'll find the delivery vehicle waiting. All coordinates, vehicles, and routes are, of course, fully configurable. You decide how and where deliveries happen. There's our mule. We can get in normally with F, or just press E, and our character will walk there automatically and enter the vehicle. Now we've got new info showing where to pick up our goods. Let's head over there and get started. Now that we've arrived, we can park the truck and start loading it with our items. The loading time is, of course, fully configurable. You decide how long it takes until the truck is packed and ready to roll. All right, time to head back to our shop. Our unload radius is set to about 25 meters, which is perfect. We can park somewhere out of the way, where we don't block anyone and no one bothers us while unloading. Now just press E and the unloading process begins. Simple as that. You can set how long it takes to unload each item category. Here it's set to 2 seconds per batch. You can also choose the quantity of each item delivered per run, fully adjustable to match your server's balance. After the unloading is complete, your character automatically gets out, and the vehicle disappears smoothly. Back at the shop, you'll see that each item has doubled in stock. Everything updated perfectly. Now I can show you the notification system, the one that alerts you when an item is running low on stock, so you'll always know when it's time to restock your shelves.